Hello, hello, hello. What's going on, everybody? Good morning and welcome back to my daily live stream. DOD, discipline over dopamine. Let's get it. Let's make ourselves some moolah today. Let's make ourselves some moolah today. Good morning, everybody. What's going on, Team Bull? Woo, woo. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. All right. Let's see. All right. Let's see here. Let's get this all set up. All right, let's go ahead and get this. TikTok. Good morning, TikTok. For the live stream and the algorithm, this live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only and for entertainment and educational purposes only. Welcome to the live. We'll be having fun watching candlesticks today. We are starting at 7:07 a.m. on February 4th of 2026. Let's get it. Let's get to the money.
Good morning. For those just joining the Zoom,
What up, dog?
what's up, man?
Another red day. We're going to have a nice, big, fat, juicy green day. Team Bull, that's what we're going to have. Yes. Big, fat, juicy green day. Choosing DOD. the best trading system, the most accurate trading system, the most repeatable trading system ever to exist. All right. Man, yesterday's trade was awesome. We need that again.
Nice start.
We need that trade exactly again today. Same exact deal. 2-bar setup into a trend down.
Kind of like a push up to the overnight low for a possible short. Watch that. And VWAP the overnight lower area. Let's see. Be a long session after leg day, standing here trading.
You did leg day?
Yeah, leg. Then I had 30 minutes of cardio after leg. What's that? LMH? What is it? You don't even know. What is that? Peptides? Are we speaking in peptides there?
What about peptides?
They're talking about them in the chat here.
Love me some peptides. Cheat code to life. They're expensive, but cheat code. If used correctly, they're a game changer for a lot of people. Stem cells as well. Hey, just Avalanche, happy birthday.
I wrote a paper on stem cells.
Apex wouldn't take your account for no reason. You likely hit the trailing drawdown. Today's day 3 of 75 hard, baby.
Everything's still experimental.
What's up, guys? Good morning. I appreciate y'all being here and liking this live. Let's get these likes up early, baby. There's almost 300 of y'all here. Let's get up to 100 likes. Let's get a 30 y'all hitting that thumbs up button, baby. Same with y'all on TikTok. Tap that screen over and over. Come on. Y'all want more winning trades. Let's get the momentum going early, baby. Come on.
Yeah, stand up and trade. I have for a long time now.
Yeah, thumbs up, baby. Hit it. Well, I haven't had a red day for what? It's been like 2 weeks, which is not extremely common. I usually have at least one a week, sometimes 2. Takes off. I could have 5 red days in a week. I'm not immune from it, right? No trader's immune from it. I could lose literally every trade I take in a week. And taking control. How do I get... Oh, you're welcome. Hopefully you guys watched the 2-bar strategy yesterday. I'm going to make a full... I recorded a 25-minute video on it yesterday as well that's going to get edited. I think you guys will really like it. But I did want to make a trade recap, and I did. It's on my other YouTube channel, at Team Bull Trading. Here, I'll post the link for y'all. There. I used that 2-bar deal last night and hit for 1,200. It's legit. Let's go. I mean, not everyone works, but it's a good roadmap to follow to catch more trend moves. I just posted the link in chat, guys. I'll post it a few times. This is for later. It's on my Team Bull Trading YouTube channel. Yup. It's a good tool. That's the better way to put it. Let's see if we can catch ourselves a 2-bar today. If you guys want to learn the strategy before market open, you can. We're not going to take any trades for 20 minutes anyway. You can go watch the video right now. I just posted it in chat. It's only 8 minutes. Da, 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 da. Do you know? Let's see. This is what it looks like, guys. This is the channel. It's my Jdun Trades and Team Bull Trading channel. It's at Team Bull Trading 303. If you look up Team Bull Trading, you'll find it. Woohoo! Woohoo! As a reminder, too, guys, it is the last day of Apex's 90% off. You can use code JDUN. Get yourself funded for the day. We have 11 minutes till open. Go get yourself a 50K account. It's only $19.70. Is there an activation fee with Apex? There is. Do we go down or up today? That's a great question that I don't know the answer to quite yet, but we're going to figure it out. We're going to figure it out. I got my Team Bull Trading shirt on today, per usual. Always rocking my Team Bull trading shirt. We're going to find ourselves a banger. Some pre-market morning. Can you talk about how firms like Apex work? They sound like scams. 50K for 19 a month. So you don't get 50K. It's called a 50K account, but what you're really buying is how much drawdown you get. So with Apex's 50K for $19, you're basically buying 2,000 worth of drawdown, or 2,500, and 3,000 profit target. So you don't actually get that capital to trade with. A $2,500 drawdown, excuse me. $3,000 profit target. You're buying $2,500 drawdown for 3,000 profit target. And right now, it's only $19.70. It's the final day of that sale. Bro's showing a paper simulator and charging people for that. How much did you pay to get in this live stream? And actually, fun fact, the chart you're seeing on TOS is a funded and real platform that I could go and rip with buying power of, what is that? 280 times 2 is over 500 grand. 560 grand of real buying power. Anywho, enjoy work today, bro. Fries in the bag. I don't do canola oil, so beef tallow, please. And if you're going to throw fruit in, make sure it's organically grown. Never seen you take one live trade. Hey, chat, how did we do yesterday? If you took my live trade with me yesterday and made money, type yes in the chat on TikTok. If you guys made money with me yesterday on the 2-bar setup, type yes. That I called live. Huh. Bro is. we got Helen Keller in the chat. Blind in depth. Anyway, enjoy work today, bro. I'm gonna mute you now, but have a nice day at work. I know a lot of people here love their jobs, and that's great, but Burger Flipper 25 is gonna have himself a day. We know we got the algorithm going for us, though. We're going to get a lot of views today when the haters come in early. I'm always pumped about that. I always like to poke some fun at them. We got Helen Keller. I'm helping Helen Keller trade today, guys. Hey, it helps the algo. If you hurt our feelings, we're going to hurt yours, too. I like to poke fun. You got to remember, I'm an athlete. I grew up chit-chatting, chirping. You got to give them their few moments on occasion. Northern California. All right, we got.
So what's up with trade debate right now? Is it just with the evals prop firm or the funded accounts, or is it personal accounts as well? Because mine seems to be working.
Not seeing anything.
Morning, Jdun. Morning, Grizzly.
What's up, bro?
Morning, Greg.
My trade debate's fine.
I'm just seeing people in Team Bull chat saying theirs is not working.
Yeah, mine's good. Yeah, my trade debate's fine.
Mine's working too on desktop. I'm already logged in. I'm looking at it. I see candles. It's moving, not froze. So. We got 4 minutes.
Yes! I got my delivery of bananas! Let's go! Ah! Banana Man's here. Don't make me give you all the tutorial on how to open a banana again, because I will. Got a banana for you, banana for me. Bananas for all of thee. Back of the hurricane. My Tradeovit's logged in. People are saying they can't log in. Are you guys in the United States and you can't log in? If you can't log in, I know that a lot of okay. Well, then I don't know. Well, then you're probably cooked. I'm sorry. I have no answers for you. All right, Team Bull. We got 3 minutes to open. I'm going to give you all one more tutorial of how we're going to make some money today. We're going to open our accounts. Similar to a banana. We're going right from the bottom because we're going down. Take that puppy, give it a little snap, peel it down like that. Another snap, peel it down like that. Another snap, peel it down like that. And then you take it, you firmly grip it. That's a bite right there. That's a damn good banana. We're gonna make ourselves some money today, baby. Let's go. Come on. Body. Talk like a gym.
So we're gonna be pumping today, guys. We're gonna push 365. Weekly.
I don't even really trade like on Tradeovate. I don't even really trade on Tradeovate. I have a live account. Obviously, my prop firm accounts are from there. I trade on AMP usually. We call this the trading casting couch. That's what we call it. My Tradeovate's working. Let me try again. Let me try to log in again on a different browser. Let me see if that does it. Oh. I just muted because someone else was talking. All right, let's see this Tradeovate. Oh, yeah, it won't let people log in anymore. That's right. I got the same thing when I tried to log in. Internal server error, error ID, and then a bunch of numbers and letters. Damn. I'm going to have to do it again to y'all. Remember the last time Tradeovate was down? Caught a banger. People were salty. I actually am going to pull up my my options chain as well. My Tradeovate that I already logged into is good.
We recovered the 5365 and we're gonna be making a lunch. Or we're gonna bounce on 245. 865 and 245.
All right, let's get it, y'all. Trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused today, baby. What the heck? Where's the... Let's get it. Let's... Huh, Interesting. My Edge Pro won't log in either.
They're watching this level 245.
Something's wrong with the brokers, guys. My Edge Pro won't log in either. It's not responding. That's very odd. All right, well, I guess I'm trading. That's my sign to trade some options today. Maybe that's my sign if we see a QQQ setup or a NASDAQ setup to...
Cover 245.
That's it. It's Tesla 0 DTE time. It's Tesla 0-day expiration time, baby. Let's go.
Oh man. Go down. Come back. Come back. No, many trades here, guys.
I don't know why my Edge Pro software wouldn't work, though. It's very odd. It's not responding.
Jesus Christ. Expecting a little lower to take the runs.
Yeah, they must be on the same same something. I got some trading on my TOS today. Oh, there we go. Now it's working. Now I'm logged in. Let's go. Not to trade of it, but to my my Edge Pro for my main futures trading. I think Gene's here. Hello. Hello, Mr. Gene. What's going on? You're being good. Oh, thank you, bro. Trade people can't log into Tradeovate.
Heard.
People are losing it. They're losing it, chat. Everyone's losing it. I can't trade my funded account. I'm losing my mind. Guys, it's okay. The market's not going anywhere. I promise you, even if you can't log in today, the market will be here tomorrow.
The lockdown
You will live to trade another day. I promise.
What a crazy bounce, guys. Man.
Guys, Tradeovate is not there. They have issues going on their back end. On the bright side, though, guess who just showed up? Guess who's in town for the morning? First name Pay, last name Done, baby. Pay Done has entered the arena. Pay Done has entered the arena. Good things are coming. Good things are coming, baby. Well, for those of y'all that can log in. If you can log in, you got good things coming. If you can't log in, you're gonna witness Pay Done. You're gonna be wait dunning. Fix Tradeovate Pay Done. I'm trying. There's only so much I can do. It's interesting though. I have a Tradeovate account logged in that's working. Like I can trade this. I wonder if I restart it, if it'll. Oh damn! I refreshed it and now it won't work. I shouldn't have refreshed it. No. I should have just full ported it, because then they usually will just give back profits, or they'll keep profits but take away losses. Damn it! I should have full ported it. I'm kidding. I'm not like that. I wouldn't do that even if I was still there. Honor and respect go a long ways in this life. There's no shortcuts to success. Yep, if you refresh, you won't be able to log back in. Hey, I got to give it to him. Dropovate. I talked all that shit on drop step. It's got to go both ways. What's going on, Tradeovate? Lateovate. No Tradeovate. They call me, when I lose, they call me Jdun, so I'm going to start calling them Gatovate. Come on, Gatovate. Figure it out.
Okay, guys, while we wait to turn the wood, I put profile because for our purpose.
You know, Top Step's just loving it. They're just rubbing their hands together. Oh, y'all talk all that shit. Hey, you know what? I'll dish it both ways. It's fine. I love dishing it to Top Step. Drop Step. Jdun is working on fixing Gatovate. I'm trying. Doing my best. In the meantime, guys, while we're waiting, appreciate you guys doing two things. If you're on the TikTok, I appreciate y'all tapping in, hitting that follow button, and hitting that like. Tapping your screen over and over. Let's get this to 20,000 likes on TikTok. And if you're on YouTube, hitting that thumbs up. Let's make this the most liked stream yet. Maybe if we get up to 400 likes, Tradeovate will get fixed. I'll do my best. Hit that thumbs up button and let's make some money today. It's also the final day of Apex's 90% off sale. I appreciate y'all being here every single morning, hitting that subscribe button if you're on YouTube, and also press that bell icon and then press all. That will turn notifications on so you don't miss any lives. If I decide to trade Asia, if we host any educational streams, if this stream gets 1K likes. All right, bet. Let's go. Oh no, my broker, my edge clear is loading. My edge clear is loading. I think it's something with the overall brokers as a whole. TOS seems fine. As a reminder, TikTok, I'm live on YouTube as well. You can see my full screen there. Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades. You can see all my charting, all my levels. And if I draw any Fibonacci retracements, anything like that, you can always see them. We're growing the largest YouTube live stream following in the game. We're getting there. We're growing every day. Yeah, we're going. We got more and more people joining. They're realizing what we're doing every day. We don't win every trade, but we win most trades. We choose DOD every day, discipline over dopamine. Yeah, my edge clear is down too, guys. My edge clear is down. My broker that I trade futures on for the most part is down. It's now it let me log in, but now it's just loading. Trade evade's down. Edge clear. I'm sure that means AMP. My TOS is not down from what I can tell. So if I see a trade,
Nice. People make money with that bounce. Beautiful. This is another opportunity, guys. If they recover 365 to be doing longs. If price action is good, of course. That's this is the other point to go longs. Only thing that I don't like is the big up on top. I'm not trade. It's always not working. I'm long real X. See if I can put a trade.
CrowdStrike server breakdown. Yep, my damn, my Edge Pro is slacking too. Guys, just stay patient. I promise you. This is where DOD comes in, guys. Just take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. The market's not going anywhere. We will get our A+ setups again. If you can't trade this morning, it is okay. Life will move on. You still get to come tomorrow. Our issues will likely be fixed. We'll find another good setup, and all will be cool. It ain't that deep. It ain't that deep. Yep, and if you're in Team Bull, you can just trade with the squad in Asia session tonight. We trade Asia every single day inside Team Bull. It's not that deep, bro. It's not that deep. I promise you'll be fine. I promise you'll be good. Valentine's Day is coming. A lot of y'all probably marrying the market, marrying the NASDAQ. That's how y'all be acting. Y'all be acting like you're married to the NASDAQ and she won't answer. She's ghosting you. It's not that deep. She's just busy. You're fine. She's just on a girls trip to Miami right now. It's not that deep, bro. Young Larry cracked me up. Oh. Yes, trade evade is down, guys. Trade evade is down. Everything's going to be okay. Let's see. We got our 15-minute range, and we also have our pre-market high and low in. So let's go ahead and mark these levels out. It's not a great time to trade for anybody anyway, but we do have our levels marked out. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay. This Tesla longs actually doesn't look horrible on a pullback to like 420. I'd like a little more data, but it doesn't look terrible. My broker's not working, guys. My edge clear isn't either. My let's go. Let's see. All right, let's see. Let's stay patient. Face ID. Hate the top step limited contract size.
What?
Someone was just saying they hated the top step limited contract size or something.
Whoever's saying that is literally, they have problems. They limited them to 5 micros on silver.
They limited you to 5 micros on silver. Come on. What kind of degeneracy is that? I need my full position size on silver.
They blocked from trading full
Minis?
Yeah.
You can't trade minis?
Can't trade minis.
Really?
Yeah.
It's honestly
So,
good.
You know what happened? It's good to protect people, but what happened is on Friday, people probably full boarded their accounts and made so much money.
When gold had that massive move.
Yeah, on Friday, gold and silver when it dropped that fast.
Oh yeah, people made too much money with no consistency rule too. Ooh.
Yep.
Oh yeah, they got cooked. They said we're gonna change that up real quick. They said we're gonna change that up real quick. All right, guys, this is just chop. I am watching some individual stocks as well. Let's go ahead and pull up Tesla. That was my main watch in my broker. Let's see if we pull up Tesla. I was interested in a pullback. Now that we have 0-day and next day options on Tesla full time, I actually am more interested in trading them. It's easier for y'all to trade too. We're at that 50% retracement for the day. We also had an aggressive 5-minute candle with rising volume here. So there's a good chance we held this area here. You guys can see that. I think there is a higher probability right now that Tesla moves up versus moves down. If you're on the screen share watching this. Any option plays for Google? No. $420. That would be good with the 425s. I'm honestly a little hesitant to take any trades regardless because of the broker issues. We also have, we have PMI in 7 minutes. Okay. No, we don't. It's Wednesday, right? No, we don't have any data. We have no data. Unless they rescheduled it. Did they reschedule PMI from Tuesday? Because the government was partially shut down? Where are you guys seeing this? February 4th, ADP employment. Maybe they just rescheduled it. Interesting. I wasn't seeing it. We could potentially get a trend-setting candle confirmation. Hey, Tradeovate, just let me log in, guys. Tradeovate, just let me log in. I think it's working. I know some of y'all been clicking over and over again. You guys can breathe now, everybody. We can take a deep breath. Everything's okay. Jeez Louise. No setups for me yet, guys. We're in the middle of this range on the NASDAQ. Literally right in the middle here. Right in the middle here, guys.
You see that bounce, guys? Again, 245. Otherwise, working.
All right, let's see here what they give us today. Guys, remember DOD. We're about an hour in. Choose discipline over dopamine. Don't let the cheap dopamine flood. Don't let the revenge trading flood. Don't let the tilt trading flood. Just relax and let's wait for our A+ setup to come. And when it comes, we'll execute on it, just like we do every single day. This I would not have taken this as a trend-setting candle or a 2-bar because of this wick here. Too much wick. Excuse me. Woo! Too much wick to the upside. Again, TikTok, if you guys want to see my full screen share and where I'm charting, you got to go to YouTube. Jdun Trades. Open your YouTube up, type in Jdun Trades, you got it. Yum. Let's see. I'm gonna test a micro on my main. I'm gonna test trading a micro. My broker's still really slow to load. There we go. Let's see if we can take a micro. All right. Let's go. Yeah. Just made $11 on that micro I shorted. This volume's interesting here. We're getting an aggressive push, like full body, but there's not a lot of volume backing this. It's very interesting. Yeah, it's a little interesting for sure. We got an aggressive full body candle, and usually on the downside, you'll see that aggressive push. That's a little sketchy. We got a minute left. We'll see how it goes. That's a little sketchy. Oh, woo! Hey, Grizzly, you here, bro? Are you in the bear's den?
The flash could be recovered this 245 with the hints. Could be a fake dump.
Yeah, this volume's a little sketchy, a little sus. That's an aggressive candle, but look at that volume. Look how big that's an anomaly. That leads me to believe it's going to be real sketchy if we get that pull back up. I'm not sure I can take that. All right, guys. So this is interesting. You guys see the discrepancy between these two candles? This is a full body, bigger but less volume. So it's just a little sketchy to me if we get this pullback back up, having full confidence to take this. It's also too much risk from the 15-minute low up to this high, so we'd have to almost see a move back into like 260, 270 with stops above. That couldn't even work. Hey, where do I hear Grizzly at? You sound like you're underwater. Fishbowl. Nope, fishbowl. Like the Honda, a fishbowl. Well, it used to be fishbowl. I got it tinted this year or last year. That sounds better.
There we go. Trade tore
Bro.
up. My mic tore up.
Bro, what's up? What's up with this volume?
Horrible volume.
Yeah.
The type that you don't like to sleep when we're trying to catch a day trade.
It's interesting.
Had a bullish divergence half the morning. That's why we kept bouncing hard there.
Yo, this is dope. We've hit an all-time high with our live concurrent viewers here on YouTube. I wish that it wasn't a morning of Tradevate issues and non-confirming volume, but I believe we stay patient. We choose DOD. We're going to catch ourselves a nice trade. We do it almost every day. That's why y'all keep showing up. And again, I'm forever grateful. Y'all tap in. We're building the biggest, the largest community together. We got 350 likes. Let's get that number up to 500, baby. Come on. If you're ready to choose DOD, if you're ready to follow your rules and get paid with your boy, your host, Pay Done, hit that thumbs up button, baby. Come on. I wanted to see us have aggressive volume on this 5-minute candle, but that's not looking great so far. Little sketchy. Little sketchy. Free midnight daydream. See, now we're getting the rising volume, but look at this wick up. Everything is pointing to reversal here so far. We'll see how this candle closes. That could change. We could close down here, and that could give us a 2-bar setup to the downside. I don't love what we saw in this previous candle. Now our volume's coming in a little bit. We got 85 points here, of which 50 is wick. Yep. We'll see how this closes in 1 minute. We'll see how this candle closes in about 1 minute. It could give us 2-bar. The volume's there. I'm just a little skeptical of this wick. I'm honestly a little skeptical of this previous volume too. This is kind of spooking me out a little bit. Spooking me out a little bit, folks. Let's see, 200. We got 10 seconds left. Well, so we have a 86-point candle, of which 40 is wick up. So that concerns me for taking a 2-bar play on this, because of what you're seeing here. If you have over half the candle wick up, a lot of times you'll see continuation up. So we can still watch. Let's see what our 50% retracement of the day is. We can still watch for a move into this zone, potentially, but I'm not going to be taking any sort of trade here. I hope you guys can see why in real time. Whenever you have that aggressive wick up and rising volume, a lot of times you see push up. I mean, this would have stopped that 2-bar anyway if we would have gotten an entry on this wick up here. I'm just going to stay patient, guys. I'm going to wait to see if we get a retest back up here or if we get some confirmation of a reversal.
Are you looking for long shots?
If we pop up, shorts. We'd have to get a deep enough retracement, though. Even if we dip here and we go to new low a day, this doesn't fit my entry criteria for what I typically want to see with a continuation of trend setup. Whoops. Let's see here. Let's mark out our 15-minute high, 15-minute low. Pre-market high. Coat that blue. Pre-market low. All right, there we go. Staying patient, guys. Choosing DOD. I don't mind missing a move down or a move up. I don't care if price moves if it doesn't fit my system. I care about catching A+ setups when they present themselves. I'm a day trader, not a trade every day trader. I do end up taking trades most of the time, but not all the time. Well, let's see if we retest this 230 area. My problem here, so say if we took the orb, the opening range read, the OR. If we took this here, you technically have to have risk up to 310. That's way too much risk. That's like 80 points of risk. We didn't even have solid volume on this trend-setting candle. Like, yes, we could touch this and reject here. There's certainly a possibility. But I'm not fully buying it quite yet. I'm not fully on board with it yet, folks. The volume on this candle has me a little spooked. A little spooky. Guys got to remember, I'm a very patient, boring trader. But patience pays. I'd rather have boring trading and a fun life outside of trading with the money I make than have fun trading and have no money to spend on my outside life because I blew it all with dopamine. Now, if we did have confirming volume on this candle right here, guys, I'd more than likely look for this test up, fail, and shorts with stops above wherever this wick high goes. That's what I would typically look for.
This one here. 645.
What'd you say?
I'm looking this level 245.
I couldn't take this orb anyway right here. We closed above. Or the opening range read, the OR.
My plan is if they recover 245, I'm going to put them out.
No trades for me yet, folks. No trades for me yet, folks. Just waiting. We closed back above the 15-minute low. Again, there is a world where we could go and we could move like this, straight down. But we don't have any of the volume confirmations or confirmations that I want to see in order to give myself an edge in that trade. So I wait. Sometimes that results in quote unquote missing moves, but I don't care about missing moves. I care about being profitable. I care about having an edge. I also care about keeping my trading as stress-free as possible. I like to enjoy my trading. I like to come in and have peace with my trading. When you choose DOD, I like Neurogum. Neurogum's fire. If you guys want to take my next trade with me, this is the final day of Apex's 90% off as well. As a reminder, guys, you can use code Jdun for 90% off. I will do my best to help you guys pass your challenges, get funded, and get paid. We got to get the daily pull up, too. Every day we take a daily pull here. We'll see what y'all think. Y'all are usually right. We got a good set of intuition here. Yep, I recommend the 50K Trade Evade account. I got an account with your code. Thank you so much. You also get payout protection. We have a lot of traders getting paid out with Apex. Lots of traders. And I always do my best. Unlike these other influencers, I do my best to help you guys trade smart, trade safe, take good systematic trades, pass your accounts, get paid out, and take that money and put it in a live account. That's the ultimate goal. Josiah said, thanks to DOD, they are super easy to pass, y'all. Yeah, just for the new folks here, if you guys have been trading with me for the past month, call it even the past week, and I've helped you guys pass one of your prop firm accounts, with code Jdun, type pass in the chat. We got a lot of new folks here today. Let's just show them what they're coming into, what DOD can do. Type pass in the chat if I have helped you pass your challenges and make progress in your trading. Let's go. Yes. All the passes. All the passes. If I have helped you pass your account, type pass in the chat. All the passes. Morning DOD. Getting it done. That's what I'm talking about. Come on. No trades yet, folks. You've helped me keep my account. Is this a 2-bar in Tesla? Technically, well, actually, no. There's too much wick. This would have actually been, though, yes, below a key level. That actually could qualify as a 2-bar, yes. Right here. This could, for sure. Below the 15-minute low. Yeah, that could. You could look for a Tesla puts entry with stops above like 418.6. Tight stop too with options. So let's see, 417. I have to do like 415 cons. See if we retest that. There is no A+ setup edge in the NASDAQ right now. I am watching this Tesla for a retest back up to that 15-minute, or yeah, that 15-minute opening range low. Do we get it? I'm not sure, but it does look decent there. It looks halfway decent. It does look halfway decent. Whew. Someone said, if you pay attention, Jdun's dopamine comes from past evals, getting mother effers paid, and Nuggets and Broncos, Nebraska getting his hope up. Honestly, bro, not wrong. Bro just hit it on the head. I do get dopamine from getting y'all paid. That's my earned dopamine. Let's see, 260. There is a world where I prefer shorts over longs right now. It's just you don't have a lot of edge in that. We're teetering around this 15-minute low. We don't have any volume confirmation up or down. The only potential setup I seen was you take shorts here with stops above 260, 30 points of risk for not a super edge-backed trade. So I'm waiting for it. Do you think it's worth it to start a live account with 2K? I usually only trade props. Yes, if you can manage your risk, I do think it's worth it to have a live account with 2K. I do. All of your guys' ultimate goals should be trading a live account. Everyone listening to this. Prop firms are a great tool. They're great for having skin in the game and having risk on the table with your hard-earned money, but they're not the end-all be-all. I don't want you being on the prop firm hamster wheel, I call it, forever. All right. I'm pouring the rest of my coffee into my DOD cup. Discipline over dopamine cup is active. All right, let's see. Right now, I'm leaning towards downside, but we'll see. I haven't seen any solid confirmation. If I don't get confirmation, guys, I do not trade. I know it's boring, and I know you guys are itching to trade. I'm not that trader that's going to consistently call out trades left and right to keep your ego and your dopamine need and craving satisfied. We choose DOD here. If what you've been doing hasn't been working, there's a good chance you probably need DOD. What am I supposed to do with this candle? What am I genuinely supposed to do with this? Tiny move, significantly decreasing volume. What am I supposed to do with that? Nothing. In the meantime, while we're waiting for our next trade, we got at least another 5-minute candle or two before we get one. If you want to take my next trade with me, Apex is 90% off. You can use code Jdun, final day. Get yourself a 50K account. It's only $19.70, and I will do my best to help you pass it today. I will do my best to help you guys pass it today. Done. Yep, I'll help you pass. I got you.
Okay, thank you, long guys. Thank you, lots. Thank you, lots. 227 my entry.
You need to pass that error, pay monthly payment. Well, I'll do my best, bro. I'll do my best to help you. I can't guarantee it, but I'll do my best. If the market gives me something to work with, I will help you. Jdun just got my Team Bull shirt in the mail. Let's go. What?
Apparently,
Well, you haven't shipped one in a minute,
I
huh?
haven't shipped one out now for a month.
Damn, they must have lost it.
Oh, there. Watching to renter.
Stay impatient for a confirmation candle, everybody. Derek said, Jdun, you got to help me pass, bro. I will. I got you. Stay patient. Fight your dopamine demons. I got you. We're respecting below that 15-minute low. If we could get a solid confirmation candle like this and close here with higher volume, I'd try shorts with stops above like 247. Sir, you asked a question literally 1 minute ago. I don't get on these to be Q&A, and I mean that respectfully. I get on these to trade. I answer as many questions as I can. Apex is 1 day past, yes.
Seriously. Seriously.
Let's see what the 50% retracement of the day is.
Why are you like that? Yeah. It will be. I wait. Took the position. They went down, straight down. Took me. Stop me out. A massive pump. Jeez.
If we had higher volume on this candle, this initial big candle here you guys see on screen share, I'd likely take shorts up here around 280. We don't have that, so I'm not doing it, but Moog said it last day for a while. Y'all can get a $19 Apex account. You can use code JDUN, 90% off. You can buy as many as you'd like. You can trade up to 20 at a time. So if you want to stack them and be more aggressive, that's what I recommend. Don't be an idiot with them, but if you want to be a bit more aggressive and value your time over money, you can get them for very cheap and do that with 90% off.
It's crazy, guys. It's okay. Idea was right.
Oh,
What I like the launch price is
let's see,
we're
190,
bouncing all the block there.
230.
Below the critical level, so
I actually don't hate the idea of a pullback down to that 15-minute low for reverse orb. Like 230 to 220 with stops below 190. I don't hate that idea. The vibes here are tough. Hopefully, mean tough in a good way. We be vibing. We don't take nothing from nobody. We support each other. We choose DOD. We trade smart, trade safe, and choose discipline over dopamine every day.
those loans. I want to stay on that trade.
Inside him.
Happy for you.
Still waiting. I would have been open to a pullback down, but didn't get it. I'm not going long, no.
Entering the box 245, they were bouncing outside for the block, 1 minute for the block, outside the 245. This was my setup to go blocks. I wait, because as you can see, we were playing around for what, 8 minutes? Below 245. I wait. As soon as they touch the other block, I took the trade. They want more liquidity, they went down, stopped me on the pump. That's why I took the loss.
300. I just can't get a solid read on this. Lots of mixed. Lots of mixed signals both ways.
be trimming some here, guys, just to recover some of the loss. With red recovery mode now.
If we could get some sort of volume in reversal candle, I'm down. If we can get some sort of reversal candle confirmation here, I'll wait for a pop up. I can't short this either. How am I supposed to short the or long this? I'm just waiting, guys. I'm letting this market bop back and forth till I can get an A+ trend entry. She's waiting for me. No trades for me yet, guys. Just waiting. Gold has moved. I guess I haven't even looked at gold yet today. Gold's below its 15-minute low. Jorge said, hey, bro, got 10K I'm about to throw in an account. What strategy do you think is best to help me grow? Please, if you don't have a strategy yet, take that 10K, put 9 of it in the bank, put 1K in your account, and focus on that. Please don't put 10K into an account with no strategy. You will lose it. Or buy yourself an Apex account. Go buy an Apex account with code Jdun for $19. Practice with that. I mean that in a nice way. I'm trying to help you out, bro. I don't want to see you lose your money. You work too hard for that money to just go lose it. Or do something silly. Still no trades for me yet, guys. Waiting for solid confirmation. We don't have it again, guys. We have this candle here we're rejecting off of, but I'd rather see us, if we could close this candle strong down here with rising volume and break the structure, I'd look for a pop-up and continuation down. The reason I didn't take this trade up here is because we didn't have any confirming volume. We immediately popped up here, moved down, but we didn't have the volume I wanted to see. So there's times where I'll take it without that, but so far we haven't really had any real trend today. We are 1 hour into market open, guys. This is your reminder to choose DOD. We're day traders, not trade everyday traders. Wait for your system to fire. Choose discipline over dopamine. Don't let cheap dopamine creep in and take over all the progress that you've been making in your trading. Trade smart, trade safe, and wait for your confirmations. That's what we do every day. That's the Jdun way. That's the pay done way. Hey, Nigel passed the rogue code account. Let's go. Hey, Delaney, I'm trying. Wow, that Tesla 2-bar did pay. I can't believe I switched off that for gold. Look at that on screen share. Look at that Tesla 2-bar. Man, let's see how the options moved. I had those 415 puts pulled up. They went from 825, 200 to 300 a contract. So 50%. Damn. Well, that sucks. Hey, if we get this strong candle close down here with volume, I will try the I will try the 2-bar here if we retest this key level. I will try this if we get a strong close down here. Again, we're still a minute and 20 seconds away. Say we did close down here. Let's just say hypothetically. That'd be money bags. 230 stops above like 260. That'd be money bags. Come on, don't go too far down. Okay, stop right here. This is fine. We got 45 more seconds. Stop here. Retrace back up. Short. Boom. Come on, don't do it. Those Tesla contracts just went 100%. I can't believe I switched off that. Come on, Jdun. Can't believe I went over to gold. Why did I allow myself to do that? With the Tesla beautiful 2-bar setup with a key level ready. Tisk, tisk. Jdun, tisk, tisk. I hit on my B-Day. Jdun's perfect setup. All right. If we pull back up to like 220 into the zone, I'll look for a short entry. On screen share, you can see it. If we pull back up into here, I'm willing to take a short up here. 220 to 230 with stops above 260. Do we get it? I'm not sure, but that's what I want to see, a retrace up and then failure. There is times where we'll go like this. Like we might just find our intermediate high here and dump to low a day, but I don't want to chase that because if I did, I'd get stopped out in this move up on the times we do retrace and then miss my 2-bar. So I'm willing to miss this potential move to the downside today and catch my retracement, say tomorrow. I trade much better when I wait for retracements. I don't think we're going to get it, folks. I don't think they're going to give it to us, which is okay today. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Come on. I mean, we're talking just no pullback whatsoever. None. Not even a little. While we're waiting on this, guys, I appreciate y'all being here. Make sure you guys hit that follow button if you're on TikTok. Hit that follow button in the top left corner. I give every trade I take live. I walk through each setup I see live. And if you're on YouTube, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and turn those notifications on so you don't miss any trades or any live streams in the future. We're not going to get that pullback. It's sitting on a low a day. And if it sweeps low a day, that pullback is no longer valid. unfortunately. Right now, it's even a little up in the air. There was no 2-bar to take earlier. Look at the volume on this candle. If we would have had confirming volume on that, I would have definitely waited for the pop back up and ripped it down for sure. So there is times where you're going to watch price move like this and not be a part of it. And that's part of the game. If you can't watch price move without you being a part of it and not impulse trading, then you're probably not going to make it as a trader. That's something you're going to have to change, and you're going to have to change fast. Now it looks like we want to go test that low a day. We'll see. Whew. We got close to that low a day. That's tough. How am I supposed to short this candle now? Look at this. How am I supposed to short this? Higher green volume. Wick almost to low a day. I can't short this right now. How am I supposed to short this? I can't short this. Not yet. This price action is insane. This is an account killer. This is a legit account killer. We get it moved at $9 from low of day and then pop up to my area I want to see with higher green volume. Man, that's so annoying, bro. That is so frustrating. Are you going, Gene? Meetings? Well, we had news. Trump China tariff comment. Yeah, I don't. That last candle's insane. So I'm waiting. Too much risk here. Too much risk here. Just waiting.
You go recording. Look for free again, but I'm done for today. Okay. No more trades. Come back tomorrow. See you tomorrow, guys. Take care, Jdun. Take care, Chris.
Yep. See you, man.
Tomorrow will be another day.
Part of me wants to try shorts. It's just so risky. This market has no direction. None. I'm definitely more short biased right now than longs, for sure. I lean towards shorts with stops above those highs. We haven't really respected that previous trend-setting candle high.
Can you hear me?
Now I can.
I think I'm just going to call it. This price action is not a volume, not making sense. Like if I take a trade today, I'm just asking for it. You know?
Well, if you decide to leave, I'll text you if I find something. I'll be on here for another hour.
What do you think you will find in this area? Just you look through
Honestly, bro, probably nothing. I'm gonna be on here for an hour anyway, so.
Again, team bro, I say this often, but anytime that we have a big move the day before, the price action the next day takes a lot of times it's just tough. Hard to trade. Because you get into a trade trying to fight this chop, then you triggers tilt. You all know how it goes. Not the type of day you want to be trading unless something changes.
Just lots of wicks, like aggressive wicks today.
What causes me to tilt the most is because I don't want to lose, I guess. I guess that thought alone. Not wanting to lose money. But losing trades are just as much part of trading as winning trades are.
Yep.
Nothing.
No, honestly,
Trade, not bad.
honestly, even
It's
more.
very effective.
Even more losing trades are part of trading. Losers, how you lose is what decides how you win. In my opinion.
Yeah, you got to be good at losing trades to profit for sure.
I always like to clarify. I'm like, you got to be a good loser. Then people come in, they're like, oh, Jdun, I'm the best loser. I'm great at losing. I lose all the time. Well, not that kind of loser. You need to be a good loser and that you don't let them run out of control.
Has anybody took any trades in Team Bull this morning?
No trades for me. DOD doesn't fire. I don't trade. I'm very particular. Very particular, just like you are. We trade pretty similar.
What was that? On 10:30 my time, that 5-minute candle, if it had a little more volume, I would look for a short on pullback. Didn't quite have enough volume.
Closed on that house yesterday. That was great.
Money working, huh?
I'm thinking I need to take that 1.6 million and full port it on NASDAQ Mini. So if I put that in Tradeovate and it's $1,000 a contract, that means I can full port 1,600 minis. So every point, every point up in profit, I'll make 32 grand. I will for sure go bald right after, but we can catch a 30-point trade. We'll make $1 million.
I know I would do it. If you don't need to use it, you don't need it. I would sell options with it.
Yeah, I thought about that.
For sure, there's something low risk, something that has a very low IV, something that doesn't move a whole lot. With that much capital, you could do well. Something you didn't care to hold in, at that price. Long term.
Yep. There's that short setup I wanted to see. Just didn't have quite the confirmation. Too many wicks. I mean, if you look at this chart right here, this is chop. This is literally the definition of chop. Just wicks back and forth. Prop firms are eating today. I'll tell you guys that much. Prop firms are feasting for everyone who's not choosing DOD. So here's what we do, guys. We put the whole 1.6 mil from the house sale into Tradeovate. We full port 1,600 minis. We catch a 30-point trade, make $1 million, and we're done trading for the year. See you, bro.
See you soon. I'm gonna go to the gym.
Do we have any more espresso here?
No, but I'm here after you.
Are you sure? Thanks, bro. Is it coffee?
It's like coffee espresso.
Oh,
That's
thank
what
you.
I made yesterday.
Thank you, sir. I love that shit. You got me addicted.
I'll start making it for you every day.
You got me addicted, bro.
Are you addicted?
Hi, Brandon. What do you say, Grizzly?
What are you addicted to?
Coffee and espresso. I will never surrender my coffee. I want all the dopamine from coffee and caffeine. Love it.
I was hoping to catch a nice trade today. Keep it going. I didn't take one on Monday or today.
A 2-bar setup on Tesla worked again. Another one. If you're on screen share, you can look at that right there. 2 2-bar setups in a row.
What's my favorite ticker for selling options? I don't really have a favorite. I just typically sell them on companies that I'm okay holding their shares at the price. I sell the cash secured puts for them. And I don't like a really low IV, but I don't want to be trading when it's this crazy high because it can get away from you. That's where people usually go wrong, chasing high IVs when selling options. You gotta find the for a second.
Dude, what's up with this volume on these moves down?
I feel like we're gonna get one massive candle, and it's gonna have massive volume. That's gonna be
Dude, like, look at these. Like, these full body candles down just don't have any supporting volume. Hey, let's go. Dino said, huge shout out to Jdun and Team Bull. Since joining Team Bull, I finally passed an eval. Your teaching doesn't just give strategy, it builds real patience and confidence. I'm not forcing trades anymore because I know the next setup is coming. That mindset shift changed everything. Appreciate you big time. Let's go. Give that man a fire emoji. Something everyone needs to read. Give our man Dino a fire emoji. Run that up. Let's go. See, I can't. What is that volume? What is this, bro?
I think tomorrow will be a solid trading day, though.
Yep.
After the saddles today, son.
Nothing.
Fried.
What do you say?
My legs are fried, man.
Have a leg day today?
Yeah. It's just,
We're going to get a low day and have no part of it. Missed 2 2-bar setups on Tesla. No confirmations of the volume here. I mean, few looking back at it. Potential lower high here. Failure at 15-minute high here. Overall, for the most part, just chop. If we would have had our normal volume in here, guys, just for reference, let me show you. If we would have had our normal volume, where you see this aggressive candle, rising volume up to here, I would have 100% taken shorts in this area. Like 100%. But we didn't, so I didn't take the trade. I'm going to use the restroom quick. I'll be right back. Be back in 1 minute.
what do you mean, Lauren? What are you referring to? watching, not quitting on. No trade today, but still gonna have some steak.
What up? What'd I miss? Whole lot of nothing.
I was just talking about eating steak after this session.
Real traders. Steak's a must after a session like this. A must. As a reminder too, guys, I made a brand new YouTube video yesterday on my 2-bar setup. I have a full guide coming out probably on Sunday. I recorded it yesterday, but my editors take a few days. However, I did make a trade recap that is 8 minutes long and super valuable on my other YouTube channel. Here. I'll pin it for y'all.
Oh yeah, that's the best idea I've heard all morning, Andrew.
I just pinned it for y'all in the YouTube comments. That's my backup YouTube channel. If you search up Team Bull Trading, you'll see it. It has almost 32K subs.
I haven't really been looking at any. I got to sign on MARA shares. I got to sell some covered calls whenever I feel like it's in the right spot to do so.
I should have my 2-bar guide up by Sunday. It's like 25 minutes long. Watch this morning, super helpful. Hey, honestly, even on days like today, where I don't find you a banger, but hopefully I help you stay out of any bad trades, I hope you guys find value in streams like today. I'll be live for about 30 more minutes still, 30, 40 more minutes. Hopefully on days like today, I have helped you stay patient and added value to your trading beyond in a way of keeping more money. Do my best. Help you choose DOD. As a reminder too, guys, today's the last day of Apex's 90% off. They'll likely have another 80% off or 70% off soon. But if you want 90% off, you can get a 50K account for $19.70 with code Jdun. It ends today. Today is the final day. This guy never trades. 2 hours wasted. This guy wasted my time. Hey, chat. If you've been here for even a week now or 2 weeks, have you made money with me? Yes or no? Do I never trade, or do I catch you bangers? Whole lot of people saying yes, and two burger flippers saying no. That's odd how that works, huh? They have too much DOD, dopamine over discipline. I saved your money trading these wicks today. You're welcome. Got you. TK trade debate. I got you, baby. If you guys want to get yourselves funded for only $20, get that Apex account, baby. 50K. No volume confirmation. It looks like we're going low a day, but it's going to be a slow grind down there. I used to work at Popeyes. I worked at Popeyes for a hot minute when I was younger. I was the fried chicken master. My account went from $200 to $1,500 in 4 weeks DOD. Let's go. We got NASDAQ on the left and Tesla on the right. Chris said, these daily payouts on Tradeify are like printing money. Definitely worth the wait to build them up and make paychecks multiple times per week. That's amazing. Let's go, baby. In case you're not in voice. My bro is up to 90K from 10K in 2 months by going with you. That's amazing if that's real. It's actually insane. I hope he withdraws that back to 10 and focuses on building it again. If you're being for real, that's what I would be my best non-financial advice. Is if you turn 10K to 100K, you take 90 out, trade back with 10. Or you go back down to like 25. But you pay yourself. You secure your gains in case things go against you. All right, we might finally get some volume on this candle. I don't like how this is a doji, though. We don't have a full body aggressive candle. We could get the 2-bar here. I just drew it out. But this isn't a super aggressive candle in the downtrend direction. Let's see, 200, 170. I just feel like if I tried the shorts, I'm going to get stopped immediately. Knowing this BS wick market. This is technically a valid 2-bar setup we drew out. We tested it really quick. Didn't really give us a lot of time to think. We also had what looks like a doji here. And now watch it print out. Now we're going to go to low day on this candle. Watch. Man, that's annoying. Now we're going to low day on this candle. We're going to 100 on this candle. Watch. Now they're going to pick up. Wow. Lame. Oh my gosh, I told y'all that was coming, man. Those sneaky mother effers. Man. 2-bar setup with a freaking doji. That's so foul, bro. That is so foul. It wasn't a super strong trend-setting candle, so I get it. Just damn. This might give us another one here, though. This could give us a nice setup here. We got 120 as that low. Let's see how we close this candle. We got 2 minutes. We will have higher volume. I'd be open to a retest back up to that previous low area in here and then continuation down. Open to it. Wow. Now we're finally getting some trend at least. Let's see if we can get continuation. Got 30 more seconds on this candle. Yesterday's lows went past. Oh, we have whole psych 100. What's the high of this candle? 170. I'm frustrated. Not in a FOMO way, just in kind of an annoyed way. No FOMO. I do show full screen on YouTube. You can go to Jdun Trades, JDUN Trades on YouTube and get full screen. If I'm going to even think about taking a short setup, we got to pop up to like 120 to 130. I won't chase this to the downside. I won't do it. Let's see what happens here. I'm watching for a pop up into like 120 to 130. We might only get this. We might just touch that previous low. You can see how price reacted right here. See? So unfortunately, that might be the only pop we get. But even if we got a perfect entry there at 110, say we got a perfect entry, we would have had to have risk up to like 173, 60 plus points. Too much risk for me. I'm watching. I'm not trading actively. I'm waiting for a trade. You got to remember, though, I choose DOD. I trade DOD. I'm very picky about my trades. If we stay on this BS of no retracements and no volume confirmations, then I won't trade. We tested that previous low here to a T, and now it looks like we're going to drop. Now it's not valid, guys. Even if we pop up here, it's no longer valid. If we move to here, we already touched, popped that low a day. That would have been our target. So now if we move back up to here, this is no longer valid for this 2-bar. So now I don't know what we do. Now we just wait, I guess. I'm annoyed. I am annoyed, folks. I'm annoyed. Not in a FOMO way. We're chilling. It's fine. Frustrating day of price action for sure. Why did we just test this previous low to a T? Why can't we get a move up 10, 20 points higher? We'll stick around till 10. How about that? I'll stick around for an extra 30 minutes for y'all. I have not taken a single trade today. Nope, not a single trade. Most of my job is just waiting. I just wait. I just sit and wait. I'll stay till noon Eastern time for y'all. How's Cancun at the Broncos? Honestly, it'd be better than watching this price action. Shit. Let's see. You think your Warriors getting Giannis? You know what? Here's the deal, guys. We had higher volume on this trend-setting candle. I'm still open. I will be open to a trade for a short in this 120-130 area. I'll be open to it. I'll use less size. If we go above this trend-setting candle up here, 170, I'll stop out for a loss if I get my trade. See if we get up to 130. Almost. See a little higher. A little higher. I haven't done it yet. I haven't done it yet. I haven't done it yet. Come on. A little higher. Trying a small piece of shorts up here, guys. Tried them up there. Only trading micros. Got a good fill, 132. Stops above 170. I'm only trading micros today, guys. I did try the shorts up here. I need to move back below 100 to even remotely even think about trimming anything. So my hard stops are in at 172. Small size for me. Because I have more point risk. And this price action is messed up. If we close this candle strong with higher volume, I'll stop early. I did try those shorts up there, though. If If I lose, I'll be 0 for 1. I'll likely, I promise you guys I'd stick around, but I'll probably be done for the day. I will not be whipsawed around. In worst case scenario, I have a stop at 172. I'd like to see move down to like 90 to even think about trimming. If we break 100, I'll move my stops down to 40. All right? If we break 100 here, I'm going to move my stops down to 40. So even if I lose, it's managed because we're getting this push down. This is what I wanted to see. We need more, though. Up about 20 points so far. If we flush 110, we'll be up 30 points. I don't like that candle, guys. I don't like that candle. I'm going to keep my plan intact, but I don't like that we close that, how we close that 5 minute. I don't like that at all. I'm keeping my plan intact, though. Up 20 points. If you're worried, you can, well, not 20 points, excuse me. We were up 20 points at one point. It was up about 10 points there. If you're worried, we're back at break-even area up here. I'd like to see lower. I'm going to keep my plan intact, though. My plan is intact. Stop loss is still set. I'd like to see move below 100 to even think about trimming. If you want to de-risk here, if you're too heavy, you can do it below 110. I'm personally waiting. All right, as I'm taking a little off here below 100, I'm taking a little off right here in the 90s, guys. I'm trimming down here. I'm trimming down here, guys, and I'm putting my stops. I'm putting my stops at 130. I'm putting them at break even, guys. Putting my stops at break even. There we go. This is what I wanted to see. This is what I wanted to see. Give me lower, baby. We're at 50 points so far. My stops are, you know, we're going to put the stops in profit. We're going to put the stops at 120. 120 stops. Let's let the rest of this puppy ride. Come on. Let's let the rest of this ride, baby, on these shorts. I told y'all I was going to find y'all a banger. Why do y'all keep doubting me? Why do y'all keep doubting me? Come on. When Paydown shows up, all right, we're getting low day out of this, baby. I'm going to go ahead and take off a little more here. I'm taking off a little more down here. Rest of the stops are still set. Let's move the stops to 110. Let's go, baby. Come on. We want low a day out of this. I told y'all we were going to find ourselves an A+ winner. We talked about that. We talked about that setup on the way up, too. There's no reason why anyone couldn't be prepared. We had the volume. We had the retracement. We had the risk managed. Now we wait for it. We want to see low a day. We want to let our winners run to low a day. Let's see if we can get it. Let's see if we can get it. I told y'all Paydown was coming to play. Come on. Come on, baby. We want low a day out of this, baby. We want below 50. Give us below 50, baby. Come on. Every day. So where's the guy earlier that said I never traded? I always want to know where these people go. Because he's going to come in tomorrow and say the same shit. Come on. Next trim's at 50. I literally have a trim set at 50. Come on. This is what we wanted, baby. 80-point trade. Let's go. Lower day. Yes. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Trim mother effing filled, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Come on. Low of day, baby. Let's go. Woo! That's what we wanted. And guess what that sounds like? Order filled. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, chat. On a day that was very stressful for us, for many people, how much y'all up on that trade? Talk to me. If y'all made some money on that trade with me, talk to me. Talk to me, folks. Y'all made some money with DOD. How much y'all making on that? Nearly 100-point trade called out. How much y'all make with me? 300, 800, 325, 155, 177, 1300, 580, 4600, 80 points, 265, 300, 113, 600, 279, and we're still moving, baby. Nearly 100 points on the short. 1700, 600, 150, 300, 536. Come on, baby. Let's go. DOD pays every single day. Every single day, baby. My hard stop is at 96. Let's go, baby. Only the strong survive. Only the strong survive, baby. Only the strong survive. Don't. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Every single day. Stops are set. I want to see lower. I'm actually going to move my stops down to 82 now. That wick high. I told y'all I was going to wait with y'all and catch y'all a banger. Now, again, what's the most important thing for everybody here? It's not if you made money. It's if you understand why that trade was an A-plus setup. Hopefully, you guys watched me walk through that. We used our Fibonacci retracement. We pulled back into the trend-setting candle. We waited for the lower high. We set our risk above the candle high, and then we let it pay us. We like to see it continue down further. That's why we leave our runners in our live account. As a reminder, too, if you guys want to take my next trade with me, hopefully I've helped a lot of you guys pass your one-day pass Apex accounts. Today's the final day of 90% off. You guys can use code Jdun for 90% off and one-day pass. You also get payout protection with Apex. We've had a lot of traders getting paid out. You follow the rules, you use code Jdun, you don't have to worry about your payout getting denied. Unless you don't follow the rules, and you won't get paid. Oh, my stop got hit, guys. Let's go. We will take it, baby. Lighter trading for me today, but 2,500 on the day. Not bad. Just under 2,500, excuse me. We'll take it, baby. We'll take it. We'll take it on a day where the brokers didn't work at first and we had to wait for a while. We're still getting paid our $1,000 plus an hour. We're making that That surgeon money. Surgical with the market. Made money for steak. That's what I care about most. You guys need a trade recap? 80 points. I wanted more. I wanted 100. I wanted a bigger trade. DOD, baby. That was awesome. I'm happy we could catch one. And watch, you're going to have the same people coming on the lives tomorrow saying, I don't trade. Same people coming on the lives tomorrow will sit here and be like, he doesn't trade. Like, what? You just got to stay patient. You wonder why, if you guys ever wonder why 95% of traders fail, you can literally just go watch free live stream chats. I mean, honestly, our chat here, you know, for the community we've built, our DOD community, like for the most part, a lot of y'all are focused on being disciplined in the right way to trade. But you'll always have the people that come in and complain there's no trades 20 minutes in. And that's why they'll never make it. I hope they change their way. I hope they make it. I would never wish the downfall of anyone, not even my enemies. Whenever there's another influencer talking down on me, I don't talk down on them. Hate only comes from the bottom. I want to see y'all choose DOD, trade smart, trade safe, and stay patient. No. It's 80-point trade to equal 80-point trade to equal Apex code. First it was 200, then it's 100, then it's 80. Then you're going to be like, all right, well, Jdun, if you lose, win, or draw, or don't take trades, we need a rogue code. Y'all are crazy. I know y'all are sneaky. I know what y'all be doing. Not getting it past me. Not getting it past me. Y'all are sneaky. Sneaky little snake. Sneaky little snake. Well, glad we can catch a banger. Order filled. Who's trading over here? Which one of y'all is trading? Y'all are never going to know. Y'all are never going to know when it's real and it's fake. Got exciting news for y'all too. I'm going to be hosting my February free webinar. I promised you guys one a month. I'm going to be hosting my February free webinar next Tuesday. Next Tuesday, baby. You just money shifted my account to a payout. Yes. You guys know the Jdun webinars don't miss. I understand that your time is valuable, and I'm never here to waste it. You love my webinars? There is a new one coming. I'm going to post the link for it in just a moment. It's in 6 days. I'm going to post free live training. On Tuesday. When is it? Tuesday. What is next Tuesday? February 10th at 8 p.m. I gotta update this too. Whoops. I just posted in the announcements tab the free live training. All right, I'm gonna post it on YouTube now too, everybody. Free live training. I'm gonna teach the full 2-bar setup as well. I'm gonna post it in the YouTube. Y'all ready? To get y'all signed up. Been to 4 of his live webinars, learned something new every time. I appreciate you, bro. It's literally something new every time. Lost 200 on your last trade. I honestly literally have no clue how. I think you were in a different stream. How did you not make money on an 80-point move down? I'm not saying that to be mean either, bro. I'm genuinely not trying to be rude. I'm curious. Yup, I second that at Tony. I appreciate y'all. Yep, you guys can register. I appreciate the love, guys. You guys can register here next Tuesday. If you want the recording after too, make sure you guys get registered. I'll be covering my 2-bar strategy and DOD system. The link should work. The link should work, everybody. Loose Arrow said, Jdun, is a mentorship to get into real estate like your buddy does worth it, or is that information accessible through research and digging? Here's the honest truth. You can get education on anything, on real estate, on trading, on e-commerce. You can find all the education for free on the internet. It's more so about accountability and whether you want that information organized. You can find anything on the internet these days. The question is, do you want accountability and do you want to expedite that process? I always paid for information and I always paid for mentors because I didn't want to have to put all the pieces together by myself. That's always been my mindset. I still buy education. I just hired a new trainer yesterday. Dude is jacked, looks exactly how I want to look. He's 6'5 plus, and so I'm gonna pay him for his expertise so I can learn and I can increase my knowledge. That's just always been my mindset, though. Is I would rather pay for education and expedite my process than try to figure this shit out by myself. Doesn't mean that's how you operate. That's just how I operate. We have another 2-bar setup here, potentially. I'm done trading for the day, but I'm not dealing with this BS. I've bought a lot of trading courses in my day. Hunter does a mentorship, but it's really expensive. Not that that's a bad thing, it's just expensive. And he's got great results to back what he teaches. And we caught a winner today. I was happy about that. Could have sworn these haters said I didn't trade. They say that every day. I better see all y'all next Tuesday for the free live training. Now we're gonna get low a day. It went up on some bullshit. Some bullshit. Sorry for my language. Am I trading tomorrow? Yes, I sure am. I'm also filming a day in the life tomorrow as well. For you, some of y'all have been asking for a vlog. I'm finally filming the vlog y'all been asking for. You've been begging me for a damn vlog and day in the life. I'm doing it tomorrow. You guys can see my boring life as a discipline over dopamine trader. You guys win. I'm doing it. I'm filming the whole day from start to finish. For those of y'all that have been asking. The vlog's coming. Y'all can see my boring life as Jdun trades. It's just gonna be me eating a banana and teaching you how to peel a banana. That's what it's gonna be. No, I got some cool stuff I'm gonna talk about in there too. My life is genuinely very boring, but good. It's fulfilling but boring. I'm very, how do I put it, militant with my routine. I do the same thing every single day. Very militant with my routine. What's up, Grizzly Glauc? Bro, Grizzly, I caught a trade again and I forgot to text you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yo, if you got them too and you're in Team Bull chat, post your gains and tag me. Hashtag post your gains. I love when y'all tag me with those. New Porsche. What are you talking about? Why do you think I got a new Porsche? You think I got a new Porsche? You think I got a new whip? Yeah, that is a 2-bar. Damn. But it's kind of an anomaly. So this is a good example. So check this out. So we do have a 2-bar setup here, okay? If you guys are on screen share, please watch this. This is very important. However, there's someone lying here. We have a larger body candle here with less volume than the next candle that has less body but higher. So I'd be a little more hesitant after this move down at taking this 2-bar setup on the way up because there's a good chance that this stop gets ran. Can you imagine Jdun, Jdun in a GT2 RS? Can you imagine? In another life if that happened? In the Porsche GT2 RS, I've heard those things are nasty. Heard they call him the Widowmaker. Jdun still trading this chop? No, we caught a winner today, 80 points. Clear and transparent. Another life where you're 5'6". Well, I am a short king. I am the short king of all short kings. Passed your account today. Thanks, Jdun. You're welcome, bro. You're very welcome, my friend. Glad I could help you. Glad I could help all of you guys. I appreciate seeing y'all post and hashtag post your gains too. As a reminder too, guys, it's the last day of Apex 80 or 90% off. 90% off. You can use code JDUN for payout protection and 90% off today. I recommend the 50K account. It's only $19.70. Today is the last day of 90% off for likely a month. Usually it's about once a month or once every 2 months. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. I'm glad we caught a piece of this move. It was a little trickier, but we caught it. Little trickier, but we did catch it. We did catch the shorts. After the 1970, is there a monthly payment? Only if you keep the account for a month. It'll renew at 50% off, but you can get the account for 1970, or you can get multiple accounts for 1970 in case you don't pass, and then just cancel afterwards. If you pass the account, it's only $75 activation. So your all-in cost for a 50K is $95, in which you can get a max payout of like $2,000 on for your first payout. Then you can get more payouts on after, obviously, but your first payout is capped at like 2K. You also get payout protection when you use code Jdun. I appreciate y'all supporting me. I'll always do my best to help support y'all and help you guys pass with trades like we did today. You do have to meet the buffer too. Yep. If you're more of a beginner trader and you prefer end of day drawdown, then I recommend Tradeify. You can get 30% off with code Jdun. I recommend their select accounts. It's a better, more beginner friendly account. And all right. I did Tradeify 150K straight to funded. Is there a monthly subscription with this or the one-time activation? One time for the straight to funded. Look at that. I'm glad we ended up catching part of those shorts today. It's dope. That was so baller today, guys. So sick. $2,500, $2,484 to be exact. Look at that move down, guys. I'm glad we caught a piece of it. You can get funded for options and stock trading with Vanquish. So if you want to take any 2-bar setups or any DOD setups on options, you can trade here with code Jdun. 50% off and 1 free reset. So if you're learning how to use the software, you can get 50% off and a free reset in case something happens to your account. In case you fudge it up. For my options and stock traders, I recommend the advanced options accounts. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. What is Bitcoin at? Do I even want to look? Am I scared? Oh yeah, 73. I bought 25,000 more worth at 77. I'm likely going to wait to buy my next batch if we touch 70 or below. And then I'll just keep adding. It's honestly, we have room down to 30 to 40 on this cycle, for sure. For sure. If you're back on Zoom, we took an entry on shorts at 11:10 Eastern on this pop-up if you're on screen share and wrote it down for about 80 points. If you want 90% off Apex, you have to enter code Jdun. Code which I'm very thankful for. I always like to add that I never take you guys supporting me for granted ever. So thank you. Hi, friend. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Such thing as a 4-bar setup. I mean, technically, could be. Look at this freaking move. This is crazy. Where is this? There we go. The slopes are calling, Jdun. Maybe. HQ Friday. Y'all want live trading on Friday? You want live trading in person on Friday? They're calling you. Let's go. I will have a trade recap video up today as well. Oh boy. Woo. I know that I've helped a lot of people. A lot of people pass some accounts this week and make some money. And that feels really damn good. Hopefully I helped y'all choose DOD today from the start. If you guys can choose DOD, you'll be in a much better spot to make money long-term doing this. And you'll hopefully enjoy your trading more. Trading can be really hard on mental health. So that's a part of DOD that I try to emphasize, but honestly, I feel like I don't emphasize enough how much DOD helps your mental health throughout your trading. Because if you're constantly guessing and constantly blowing yourself up, that takes a toll. It can be really, really hard on yourself when things aren't going right. When you choose DOD, things get much more stress-free. Choose DOD to trade stress-free. That's what we should be saying. All right, guys. I'm going to mob off for the day. I will have a trade recap up later. I appreciate you guys rocking with me. staying patient with me today. I'm glad we could catch a winning trade. Trade smart, trade safe. And remember, today is your last day to get an Apex account for 90% off using code Jdun. If you want to take a trade with me tomorrow, I'll do my absolute best to help you guys pass your accounts. Bro said, bro, I know I troll you a lot, but I'm 18, and since I started trading, I've only been watching you and taking trades you take, and I've doubled my money and I have an 89% weekly win rate. Let's go! See, we're even turning the trolls. We're turning the trolls into lovers, too. We're turning the haters into lovers, into family. So we'll call it. Not lovers. We'll call it family. We got love for the trolls. We got love for everybody. All right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, all right? God bless, guys. See ya. Peace. Thank you guys all for your support.